In SAP Datasphere, you can organize tables and views within an entity relationship model. You define relationships between them and can do mass editing of all objects without either switching screen or model context. An ER model provides you with a holistic view of the context where an object is used. It also allows you to deploy all views and tables in one go. Let's have an overview of what we can do within an ER model. Go to the Data Builder. Select New Entity Relationship Model. On the left side, you can see all tables and views available in your repository. To build your model, you can drag and drop them to the canvas. You can also import new objects in your repository by connecting to another source or by importing a file. The status of the selected object is checked, and when you import it, it's deployed at the same time. When you import a file, you can import all objects contained in the file or select those you need. The status of your object is also checked. However, when you import it, it's not immediately deployed and you will have to do it later on. You can also create a new table and define the column. Or you can create a new view based on one table. You can also create associations. When you save your model, you save all objects that are within your model. Once saved, you can also display the impact and lineage of your model, or for an individual entity of your model. Once your entities are ready for modeling, you can add new columns to your table, add related entities, preview the data, rename new data, define a new key, add a text association. As you can see, SAP Datasphere offers many possibilities to prepare your data with an ER model. Now, to use your model, you must deploy it. Thank you for watching.